Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our France road trip to Epernay.
Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy.
Nancy has an air of refinement found nowhere else in Lorraine.
And so here in the middle is a statue of Polish-born Duke of Lorraine. He's there in the middle of the square.
Nancy's crowning glory is this grand neoclassical square and UNESCO's World Heritage Site. This basilica has beautifully stained glass and wood paneling, some of which was made in Bavaria.
This is the oldest city gate of Nancy.
Porte de la Crab was built in 14th and 15th century and later became a prison. We are now inside this gate. Hello again, welcome back. We are now in Champagne region of France and we're going to Reims. This is the Gothic Cathedral Notre Dame in Reims. The church was founded in the early 5th century, but the construction of the present Reims Cathedral began in the 13th century and concluded in the 15th. The interior is a rainbow of stained glass windows. One of the finest is this one, the Great Rose Window. The most famous event to take place here was the coronation of Charles VII with Joan of Arc at his side.
Yummy French breads and pastries.
Un sandwich, jambon et le nappa.
Porte de Mars. We go back for a quick trip to Roman Gaul. This massive three-arch gate was built in 2nd century AD. Welcome to Epernay. Epernay is home to many of the world's most celebrated champagne houses. We are now inside Mercier and we're going to tour the cellar and also try its bubbly. We drove a little through Mercier's 18-kilometer wine cellar on their little train. This is the guided audio tour in the cellar. And of course, the favorite part, the tasting of the champagne.
Massive.
Epernay's handsome Avenue de Champagne faces with champagne houses. This boulevard is lined with mansions and neoclassical villas rebuilt after World War I. We are now walking in front of the famous brand Moet and Chandon. Here is the statue of Dom Perignon. He is a French monk and he's the one who discovered champagne. Dom Perignon only uses the finest grapes from best vineyards in Champagne. Their vintages are aged for minimum 7 years before releasing to the market.
So we're eating now here in Le Prestige Burger.
The next day, we pass Ouvilliers. Perched above a sea of vines, Ouvilliers is where Dom Perignon believed to have created champagne. This village is one of the prettiest in Champagne. Astonishing vineyard views await a few meters away. That concluded our road trip from Lorraine to Champagne. Join us in part 3 as we discover Amiens and Normandy region of France. Keep safe. Bye-bye.